good, everyone? It's your boy Terry. Now check this out. We finished installing the 2.0 Street QA1 control arms upper and lower, along with the coilover setup in the front, and it looks spectacular. Now what we gotta do is we gotta address the back. And once again, we call upon QA1. Check this out. You got your QA1 rear single adjustable coilover shock. You got your new QA1 upper shock mount. This bolts to the frame, that bolt to the top of the shock. QA1's new coilover lower mount, which gives you even more height and lower adjustability. And when installing, do not forget the thrust washer. Make sure your anti-seize them on up. Now this is the latest in QA1's rear coilover mounting technology, man. And we're gonna do it on the 71 Chevelle 2.0, right there in the rear. So, if you haven't done so at this time, subscribe and follow because we're gonna be getting it in. And as always, be easy.